Hey everybody. Wanted to take a few moments out today to talk to you about our new installer. It is nearly ready for prime time, so very soon it's going to start making its way out to all of our current and hopefully future customers, and it will look like this. So uh, basically, what this is going to do is it's going to give us a way to both update AegisFlow's install parameters, our dependencies, models, etc., as well as our templates. Um, when you first enter into the new installer, it'll show up just like this. You'll have across the top the options to do, to go to the website, to visit our YouTube channel, and then also to join our Discord where we do support and just talking about the system, talking about AI art in general. Down below there is some mild reading that just basically goes over some of the things that we're going to talk about today. Uh, Down here, there are three buttons currently. There's dependencies, which installs all the things that AegisFlow requires to run properly, the models and the custom nodes. Secondly, the additional resources button here will allow you to select it and install a variety of additional stuff that is kind of cool, but not really absolutely required to run the system. And then everything will install, literally everything. It'll install all the dependencies and all the additional resources all at the same time. Down below there is a license key. All current customers technically already have one, although right now you don't know it and aren't using it. All future customers will, of course, get a key, a unique key. And then below that is the section that does all the work. So Go does exactly what you think it would do. It starts whatever option you've chosen up here. The skip button will skip the model that you're currently downloading, so that if you know that you already have it, or perhaps it's a model that you have in an external models folder or something like that, you can go ahead and skip it, and you don't have to waste the time on the download for that particular model. And then, of course, quit, which just you're a big quitter, stops the app. Over here on the sync templates, this button will download all the latest versions of the various template files that AegisFlow uses, in order to run itself. So, if you are wondering, for instance, am I using the latest FX pipe, right? Like so, well, it will go out and it'll download that for you, so you won't have to wonder anymore, and you won't have to ask yourself, over and over again, am I using the latest stuff? So with that, let me get back to the installer window here. And that's about it, really. If I click go right now, it'll start downloading, and it's currently getting, the SDXL refiner. So I can go ahead and I can click skip on that since I already have it, and it will skip it and move on to the next model for us. So that's effectively it. Pretty simple situation. And we'll go ahead and quit the application just like that and move on. So this is probably, I don't want to put mortal under any kind of a clock, but at the moment, I'm guessing sometime within the next week is a reasonable target, maybe, for this to be done and shipping. So I'll make a bigger announcement and a better video about it. But I just wanted people to get an idea of what's coming and what's possible. We're really trying to kind of push the limits of how ComfyUI can work, and turn it more into a professional tool than it already is, because it's actually already a very capable tool in my workflow and in the workflow of other professionals. So that's about it. Thank you so much for listening, and we will talk to you later. Bye.